Okay, I just want to make a video here. I'll try and make it as quickly as possible. The iQue software makes this driver install noise every time I restart the computer or even on a cold start. I've gone through tech support. There's probably about 14 email chain between them and I. Troubleshooting this, going through just your normal troubleshooting stuff. Hey, uninstall it, remove this stuff from your reg edit, etc., etc. It's not, I don't think it has anything to do with hardware because I have two different computers here. I have this one here. This has a 9900K in it, 2080 Ti. It has Corsair fans and Corsair memory. This one has a 1080 Ti, 8700K, a Ace Rock motherboard, Corsair fans, and the Corsair closed loop cooler for the CPU. This motherboard is a gigabyte board, so completely different hardware between both of them. I've heard people say it's your Windows build. This Windows build is current, 1909. The software is the most recent Corsair software. This computer here is 1903, also on the most recent software. So we have this computer here and this one here. I'm going to restart them and show you. This problem happens on both of them. I'm at the point where I'm about to reinstall Windows just to see if it fixes it. I've gone through so much troubleshooting on my own. I've removed every single thing connected to my computer besides the monitor and the power. It still does it. I've changed the USB headers that the Corsair stuff is plugged into. Doesn't matter. So here we go. Once the Corsair software starts, it makes the noise. It doesn't matter if Corsair starts on the startup process or if I disable it and start it up later, it'll do it. While we wait on this to make its noise, I'm going to restart the other computer. So it just made the noise as the Corsair program started. Now we're doing this one. There you go. If I use Corsair Link, it doesn't happen. And I used to use Corsair Link on this computer because the only thing that's Corsair that I need it for is the fans and the closed loop cooler. And Link works for the RGB stuff on those two components. Link doesn't work on the Vengeance memory, so I have to use iQue over here. If I could, I'd just get rid of it completely and just move along and just not use the software. But anyways, I'm stuck with it. So I installed it on this computer just to show you proof that it happens on different types of hardware, different Windows build. Corsair support can't fix it, so I don't know what to do. They've sent me two different updated installed versions, previous versions, you name it. Everything's been done except for installing Windows, so I don't know what to do.